Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't. And today we are going to fix this problem. Error Microsoft Visual C++ 14.0 is required. Get it with build tools for Visual Studio from this link. You can see the same error right here while I am using the pip command. So let us copy this link and paste it into the browser and press enter. Scroll down, click on tools for Visual Studio and download this build tools for Visual Studio. Click on download. Now open it up. Click on continue. Wait for it to finish. Now here you have to choose this C++ build tools and click on install here. Now it will download and install the packages. So you can see it is downloading 868 MBs of data. Make sure you have that much. So the download got completed and now it is installing all of the packages. So you can see that Studio build tools have been successfully installed. Now we have to reboot our machine before using the pip commands again. Now after the restart of fixing that problem, let's execute this command to see if we have fixed the problem or not. And press enter here. And now you can see that we are not getting that error. So it is installing the packages. So we have successfully fixed that problem. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.